Hey everyone, Brandon Boyd here with I Am Mastery Academy. I want to answer the question how the 2 and free works. So when you take a look at these different packs here, the way that this works, and you'll also see it in the IBO training, is number one, the 2 and free is for customers, not IBOs. So that's number one that you need to realize. It's for customers, not IBOs. An IBO cannot get a 2 and free. That's the reason why we tell people to start as a customer and not become an IBO until they have at least 3 personals and would like to upgrade and build a business. All right, so number two, the way that this works, and I want to be very specific with you so that you understand how this works. So let's say that I'm on the platinum monthly right here. So I paid $225 in my monthly membership. Okay, so this is how it works. You personally help or sponsor 2 people at a package of the same value or lower. So example, if I'm a platinum member or I'm elite, either one, as long as I sponsor 2 platinum package members, not the add-ons, but just the platinum package you're seeing right here. Now I can get a free membership for that month as well as the ongoing months as long as I have those 2 active subscribers. Now, if I am a platinum member, but I subscribe to elite members, that would not count because it has to be the same value, meaning the same package, or lower. So it could be like if I was on the elite, right here, the elite monthly, and then I had 2 people on the platinum or 2 people on the elite, that would work. You now get the free membership. But all the different add-ons, that does not count with. From my understanding, though, with the Platinum, you could add on the Web Analyzer or Vibrata and still have the free membership. But that's how that works with the 2 and free. Hope you guys understand that. If this has been helpful, go ahead and click like, share it, tag it with others. We'll see you at the top.